Hi, and welcome to the Novel Suite video tutorial series created to help you get the most out of Novel Suite. This video is focusing on saving a new chapter or scene in the word processor. Let's get started.
To add a new chapter or scene to your novel, you have two choices. If you're working in the novel board, see the tutorial Saving a New Chapter or Scene to the Novel Board. You can also save a chapter or scene in the word processor. Open the word processor and start writing. When you're ready, select Save Changes. Title the chapter, select the book to which it belongs, and click Save. In the novel board, the saved chapter is located at the end of the list. From here, you can drag it to wherever you'd like it to appear.
Thank you so much for watching, and check out our other tutorials if you want to learn even more about how to use Novel Suite.